So let's solve this question. How do we calculate price livestock demand? So don't forget, price livestock demand, I'm using PED. So it's either you use ether like this, that is livestock demand, or I'll be using PED is equal to, I'm writing the formula first. Okay, I want to use the relative change formula. Okay, so one of the formulas we wrote after the manipulation is said is change in Q over change in P, then multiply by P1 over Q1. Okay, so this is equivalent to Q2 minus Q1, then divided by P2 minus P1 multiplied by P1 over Q1. So in other words, what is the Q2? Q2 is the new quantity demanded. You can see is where the price of the commodity is lower from 350. So from 350 to 2 on from 350 naira to 200 naira. That tells you that the initial price, which is P1, is equal to 350. Okay. Now, to 200 naira, which is the new P, which is P2. Then we have the quantity. Quantity demanded increases from 600 units to 700 units. That is from 600 units. That tells you that the initial Q is, that is the Q1 is 600. Then the Q2 is now 700. Okay, 700. Now, we are good to go. We can now put this into this formula. So the Q1, that is our price of demand. The Q2 is 700 minus Q1, which is 600, divided by P2 minus P1. P2 minus P1. What is P2? P2 here is 200, then minus 350. Then we have multiplied by P1. What is P1? 350. Then what is our Q1? Q1 is 600. So we are good to go. So in other words, we can subtract this. So 700 minus 600. So we have 100. Okay. Then divided by 200 minus 350. So we are going to have minus, let me put it the minus here, minus 3 minus 150. Okay, minus is here, but it does not matter whether I put it here or I put it here. Okay, so minus, then multiply by 350 divided by 600. So I can simply call this 0 will cancel. So I can say it's cancel once here. So this one cancel the remaining ones here. Okay. I am left with yes, this 0 also cancel this 0. So I'm left with 35. Here I have this is 1, that is minus 1 times 35. That will give us minus 35. Then, then I divide that. That gives me what? 35. That's 35 by 90. That gives me is minus 0.39. So mind you, price of demand for a normal demand curve for a normal good is expected to be negative. It's expected to be that negative sign here implies that a demand curve has a negative slope. That is, when we are interpreting these coefficients, okay, so we ignore the sign. We take the absolute value of our coefficient, that is 0.39. We only look at the figure here, not the sign. So this is less than 1. So therefore, the degree of elasticity shows that this is this is inelastic demand. This is inelastic demand. Okay. So In the next video, I will be applying other quadratic formulas. We see that we are going to get the same thing. Thank you. See you in the next video.